Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Jira software for project management. So this is what it looks like. The first thing you should do is go to any web browser and then type Jira, or you can also type Jira software. Now you have to click this link like this. This is the logo. And you have to create an account also in order for you to start. So this is for free. You can create an account using your Google, your Microsoft, or your email address and your password. So for me, the easiest way to create one is by just connecting Jira to my Google account. I can now add or create my name right here. And then if this one is available, then you can now proceed. If not, then they will notify you. What kind of work do you do? So let's just say project management, you can choose your own or you can select later. Also, same with the template. You can choose a template to get started or you can choose later. It's now processing and you can now add the name of your project right here. So let's just say it's about YouTube task list. I'm going to assign YouTube task or topics to my team. And this is what it looks like. You can choose list, board, calendar, so everything is up to you what type of layout you want. So for me, the easiest is list, but others also select a board. So it's up to you. Here on the left side, you can see different options. So you can see here application, plans, project. You can see here your recent projects also, your multiple projects, and you can also select template right here in case you want to create a new project. There are tons of templates. You just have to select the category. Dashboard, goals, you can set a goal, and then you can see also your team members here. So now I'm going to add or create task. So to do that, just tap on create. I will be adding task here for my YouTube team, and this is what it looks like. Here I can set a status if this one is to do, doing, in progress. You could also create a new status. For example, if you want to create, or can't do, you just have to click this one and then add can't create and then add this to your status so that the person can select can create if this one is impossible to create. Also here for comments, you can add comment right here and just tag the person, something like that. For a category, you can also add a category right here. For example, if you want to add category like this one is high priority or everything is up to you. Now, if you slide this to the right, you will see more options. If you want to add another field, you just have to click the plus icon. If you want to add members to assign them, to mention them, you need to invite them first. So you need to add their email address and then send the invitation, wait for their accept or wait for the invitation to be accepted. Then once they have accepted your invitation, then you can mention them here because they are now your team members and so on. So just add fields. You can add also here like priority, date, and so on. Now, once done, you can share this. All you have to do is tap on the share icon and then paste it or share this to your team members or to your client. And basically, this is what it looks like. If you want to use other layout like the board, it's simpler also because you just have to simply drag this one to progress, in progress, to-do list, and so on. So that is how to use Jira software for project management. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.